Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly transforming our world. It's no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here, embedded in our daily lives, from the smartphones in our pockets to the algorithms that curate our news feeds. This powerful technology holds immense promise for progress in countless fields, but it also raises profound questions about the future of humanity. Today, AI-powered systems are diagnosing diseases, driving cars, and composing music. This rapid advancement is fueled by exponential increases in computing power. The pace of change is dizzying, and the implications are far-reaching. AI has the potential to fundamentally alter the way we live, work, and interact with the world. AI is revolutionizing healthcare, offering the potential to improve diagnosis, treatment, and patient care. AI-powered systems can analyze medical images with remarkable accuracy, assisting doctors in identifying diseases like cancer at earlier stages. These systems can also sift through vast amounts of patient data to identify patterns and predict outcomes, helping personalize treatment plans and improve the effectiveness of interventions. Imagine a world where AI-powered robots perform complex surgeries with unparalleled precision, minimizing invasiveness and accelerating recovery times. This is no longer science fiction. Robotic surgery is already a reality, and AI is poised to enhance its capabilities even further. AI can also monitor patients remotely, alerting healthcare providers to potential problems before they escalate, enabling timely interventions and potentially saving lives. AI is also being used to develop new drugs and therapies. By analyzing complex biological data, AI algorithms can identify promising drug candidates and predict their effectiveness, significantly accelerating the drug discovery process. This can lead to faster development of treatments for diseases that currently lack effective options. Moreover, AI can empower patients to take control of their own health. AI-powered apps can provide personalized health recommendations, track fitness progress, and offer support for managing chronic conditions. This can lead to healthier lifestyles and improved overall well-being. The financial industry is undergoing a rapid transformation fueled by AI. Robo-advisors powered by sophisticated algorithms are providing personalized investment advice to individuals, often at a lower cost than traditional financial advisors. These automated platforms analyze market trends, assess risk tolerance, and create diversified portfolios tailored to individual needs. Algorithmic trading, where computers execute trades at lightning speed based on pre-programmed instructions, is another example of AI's impact on finance. These algorithms can analyze vast amounts of market data and identify trading opportunities that would be impossible for humans to detect. While algorithmic trading can increase efficiency and liquidity, it also raises concerns about market volatility and the potential for flash crashes. AI is also being used to detect and prevent fraud. By analyzing transaction data, AI algorithms can identify suspicious patterns and flag potentially fraudulent activities, helping protect consumers and financial institutions from financial losses. This can improve security and trust in the financial system. Furthermore, AI is transforming customer service in the financial sector. AI-powered chatbots can answer customer queries, provide account information, and resolve simple issues, freeing up human agents to handle more complex requests. This can lead to improved customer satisfaction and reduced operational costs. Section 4. AI in Manufacturing: The Rise of the Smart Factory. Manufacturing is being revolutionized by the integration of AI. Smart factories, equipped with sensors, robots, and AI-powered systems, are optimizing production processes, improving efficiency and reducing costs. AI algorithms can analyze data from the factory floor to predict equipment failures, optimize production schedules, and improve quality control. Imagine a factory where robots work alongside human workers, performing repetitive tasks with precision and speed. This is the reality of the smart factory, where AI and automation are transforming the manufacturing landscape. AI can also monitor the supply chain, predicting demand fluctuations and optimizing inventory levels, ensuring that materials are available when and where they are needed. AI is also being used to personalize products and services. By analyzing customer preferences and data, AI algorithms can tailor products to individual needs, creating customized experiences that enhance customer satisfaction. This can lead to increased sales and stronger customer loyalty. Moreover, AI can improve worker safety in manufacturing environments. AI-powered systems can monitor work areas for potential hazards, alerting workers to dangerous situations and preventing accidents. This can create a safer and more productive work environment. Section 5: AI and the creative arts, machines as muses. AI is not just transforming industries like healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. It's also making its mark on the creative arts. AI-powered tools are being used by artists, musicians, and writers to explore new forms of creative expression. AI algorithms can generate music, create artwork, and even write stories, pushing the boundaries of artistic possibilities. Imagine a world where AI collaborates with human artists, augmenting their creativity and inspiring new forms of art. This is already happening, with AI being used to generate unique musical compositions, create stunning visual art, and even write poetry. While some may debate whether AI can truly be considered creative, there's no doubt that it's opening up exciting new avenues for artistic exploration. AI can also personalize the artistic experience for consumers. AI-powered systems can recommend music, movies, and books based on individual preferences, creating curated experiences that cater to individual tastes. This can lead to a deeper appreciation of art and culture. Furthermore, AI can make art more accessible to everyone. AI-powered tools can translate languages, generate captions for images, and create audio descriptions for videos, making artistic content accessible to people with disabilities. This can democratize access to art and culture, enriching lives around the world. Section 6: The Ethical Labyrinth. Navigating the moral dilemmas of AI. As AI becomes increasingly powerful and pervasive, ethical concerns are coming to the forefront. One of the most pressing concerns is the potential for bias in AI systems. AI algorithms are trained on data, and if that data reflects existing societal biases, the AI system will perpetuate and even amplify those biases. This can lead to discriminatory outcomes in areas like hiring, lending, and criminal justice. Another major ethical concern is the issue of privacy. AI systems often rely on vast amounts of personal data, raising concerns about data security and the potential for misuse of information. Protecting individual privacy in the age of AI requires careful consideration of data collection practices, data storage, and data sharing protocols. The development of autonomous weapon systems or killer robots raises profound ethical questions about the future of warfare. Should machines be given the power to make life or death decisions? Who is accountable if an autonomous weapon malfunctions or makes a wrong decision? These are complex questions that require careful consideration by ethicists, policymakers, and the public. Furthermore, the increasing sophistication of AI raises questions about the nature of consciousness and the potential for AI to develop sentience. While this remains a topic of debate among experts, it's important to consider the ethical implications of creating machines that may one day possess consciousness or even emotions. Section 7: The Job Market in the Age of AI Displacement and Transformation. The rise of AI is transforming the job market, raising concerns about job displacement and the future of work. While some jobs will undoubtedly be automated, AI is also creating new job opportunities in areas such as AI development, data science, and AI-related services. The key to navigating this transition is to adapt and acquire the skills needed to thrive in the age of AI. Reskilling and upskilling are essential for workers in industries that are likely to be impacted by automation. Developing skills in areas such as data analysis, programming, and AI-related technologies can help workers transition to new roles and remain competitive in the evolving job market. Lifelong learning is becoming increasingly important in the age of AI. While AI may automate certain tasks, it's unlikely to completely replace human workers in most professions. Instead, AI is likely to augment human capabilities, allowing us to focus on tasks that require creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. The future of work is likely to involve collaboration between humans and AI. Furthermore, the increasing use of AI in the workplace raises questions about the nature of work itself. What does it mean to be employed in the age of AI? How will we define work when machines are capable of performing many of the tasks that currently define our jobs? These are important questions that require careful consideration as we navigate the evolving landscape of work.